Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add the Google search bar to your Android phone's home screen. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really supports me a lot. Alright, let's get started. To place a Google search bar on your Android home screen, the first thing you need to do is go to your main home screen, the one where all your apps are displayed. Then press and hold on any empty area of the home screen until a menu pops up. From the menu that appears, tap on Widgets. At the top of the widget screen, use the search bar to type in Google. Scroll down through the results until you find Google, then tap the small drop-down arrow next to it. You should now see the Google search bar widget. Now just press and hold the Google search bar, drag it to the spot where you want it to appear on your home screen, and then release it. Once you drop it in place, the widget will appear on your home screen. If there's an edit box around it, you can tap the pencil icon to customize it. Change the color, make it transparent, or adjust other settings. After you're finished editing, just tap the back button and that's it. You've successfully added a Google search bar that lets you search directly from your home screen. If this video helped you out, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.